Hello guys, welcome back our channel. I'm NK. Today we are going to see how to set up wireless CCTV TP-Link Tapo. Open your QR scanner in your mobile, iPad and scan the QR in the CCTV box. Download the app. This app free for download Android Play Stores and Apple iOS stores. This app only supported iPad, Android device only. Windows does not support. So you can use better any mobile and iPad. So in between you install your app, turn on your camera and plug your memory card. Once download install, create your TP-Link ID. Already your user TP-Link means use same email ID and password. You are the new user. Create your TP-Link ID. Put your Gmail ID and password. Create your ID first. Once create your ID, open the interface like that. You can see right hand top corner. They have plus symbol. Click the symbol and select your product. And you can see here you have lot of products: indoor camera, outdoor camera, doorbell, door locks, plugs, LED lights, hub, sensors, and vacuum cleaner. So you can select which camera you are purchase. You are using indoor means select indoor, outdoor means you can select outdoor camera. So we are going to select now indoor. We are using Tapo C200. Actually TP-Link have a huge product. You can make your home AI home. Now we select Tapo C200 CCTV. Once select, you can see the CCTV. Once you power the CCTV, turn on your CCTV first. You can see CCTV got one LED light. They're blinking and red, green, red, green. Light blinking red and green. It means your CCTV is okay. If the red light stable, not blinking, means you need to reset your CCTV. Click next. They have one more option. I'm ready to connect it. Click and click go to setting. They open your mobile Wi-Fi and select Tapo cam. Back to the app. Again click I'm ready to connect it and click continue. The searching pair with your CCTV. Once pair, you can change your name like bedroom, yeah, kitchen, outdoor, hall, lobby. What location you want to put, you can change your name and customize your settings and customize your icon. And click next. Click sound good. And you can see you have cloud storage. You can use your cloud storage or skip. Click got it. And change your time and settings and your camera will start to live. Okay guys, if you like this video, share and subscribe. See you soon in next video.